By the magic of editing in YouTube, we are now, I don't know, since my last video, or since the last time I filmed, probably the beginning of this this video, yeah, time has passed, and now I've got some stuff done off camera because I just wanted to like crack on. Wasn't particularly interesting stuff, so had the alternator apart, rebuilt the alternator, well, partially. You'll see me finish that off in a minute. All the irons and housings are like really clean, stoned them flat. Yeah, they're pretty much ready. I just want to clean up these ports, but that might be the next video. But yeah, so still got that to do. But the exciting bit is postman's bin. So we have supercharger. Taped it up, stop any rubbish going in. But yeah, we're supercharger. This particular one is from a VW Polo TSI, I believe, 1.4. It gives out exactly what I need and wasn't very expensive, and yeah, by all accounts, very good charger. So that's cool. Here's the star of the show. This is a Holly quick fuel slayer 4-barrel carburettor. Yeah, so that's about as high tech as carburettor as you can get. So that should be cool. Yeah, still got to work out a manifold to go to that, and then that to that. But yeah, in the process of that. Rotors, you've already seen these. These are all cleaned up. E-shaft cleaned up. All ready for seals to go back in. Sexy sump. Got baffle plate being made for this. Then in the mini boat, which is now the mini boat of parts, we have sexy fuel pump to go with our carb, soft seal kit, compression tester, yeah, oh, fuel lab, fuel pressure regulator, and then all our seals are on the bow there. So we've got all the seals to go into the engine, so we're nearly ready to do some building of this engine. So first, you're going to see me do this, then we're going to do some porting, maybe the next video, maybe this video, do some porting, and then hopefully after that next video will be building the engine. Okay, so I'll cut to a time lapse now. Okay, there we go. Focus. There we go. One alternator spins free as a bird, all looking nice and sexy like the rest of the engine. So next we're gonna port these. So when I say port these, I've got the irons, which are the bits that sit between the rotors. This is where the inlet and exhaust port are. So there's a lot of There's a lot of different ways you can go about this, but I'm going to keep it simple. I'm not going to do anything crazy. I was going to Bridgeport it, which is quite a big job where you have to make extra holes. But what I'm going to do is, you can see the standard ports where they're machined. Here they're just not very smooth, not very nice, not very pretty. Same on the exhaust port. All this could probably do with blending, so you get some smoother airflow. So yeah, that's the next job, and yeah, we're nearly there. Okay, so that's that done. Oh, just let me turn off the music. Okay, that's that done. You can see, so on camera looks a bit messy, but it's nice and smooth now. So inlet, exhaust, all of those, no join now, so it's all smooth. Yeah, it's about as far as I'm going to go, I think, with the porting. But so the Renesis engine stock has these clever shut off auxiliary ports, they call them. So the normal 13B that came in the RX-7 had only this port. So the Renesis, to produce more power, they had a secondary inlet, so that opened up. But to get smooth airflow, so if you can see, if I line it up, there's a bit of a lip there at the bottom, so I actually prefer them like that. Smoother transition. So to get that to work, I need to, you can see where I scribed around the edge there, I need to remove that material. And then once I've done that, these are going to be locked in the open position. So I'm probably going to drill and pin or put a set screw in here and then chop these flush. So then basically it will make it a solid port rather than a spinny port. So yeah, that's the next job. Right guys, I think I'm going to call it today because I can't remember how much footage, because this video's been, I've been recording this video for like a couple of weeks. So I'm going to call it on this one so I can upload this and then bring you up to speed. But basically next, I think I've just explained, hopefully, if my editing is all right, what we're doing next with these. Yeah, so all exciting stuff. Very close to putting this engine together. So yeah, stay with me.